What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to download and install GTA 4 on your PC fast and easy. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. Okay guys, all what you need to do, just open your Steam today like me and go here on store and type Grand Theft Auto 4 and you will see GTA 4 Complete Edition. Just click on it and scroll down and you will see here Add to Cart. Click on it. Go here view my card, go here continue to payment and choose PayPal or credit card. After that you will get your game in library. And that's it all guys for this video, how to download and install GTA 4 on your PC or laptop fast and easy. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button and I see you in the next video.